All right, so I want to go over how to connect a phone number to multiple users or multiple teammates in your account. So that way, when you call the number, then you will be able to have the phone ring on multiple people's devices at the same time. So let's go over how to set that up. So what we want to do is we want to go to settings on the left side of our screen, which is on the menu at the bottom, lower left hand corner. And then we want to click on phone numbers. Okay, we're going to click on phone numbers in the menu. Okay, so let's say we have our phone number that we purchased inside of our 360 account, and then we want to go to the phone number that we are wanting to have this action happen to. So on the right, you'll see the three vertical dots. We want to click on that row. And we want to click on edit configuration. All right, so you'll see a box pop up in the middle of the page to let you configure certain actions within that is attached to this phone number. So what we want to do is we want to scroll all the way to the bottom. All right. When we do that, we want to be able to check the box that says ring incoming call to selected users. Okay, so let's check that box, and then it lets you add up to 7 users assigned to this phone number. So let's click on everybody that we want to do. Right now, we'll just use 2 for the example. So we'll use Tamara, and then we'll use Michelle, and then we want to hit save. All right, so this is how you can kind of customize this a little bit here as well too. So we have the number attached to the users that we want this phone number to ring for. Now let's do something a little extra. Let's customize it a little bit. So let's go to My Staff, which is on the menu, the same menu that we're in for the settings. We're going to click on My Staff, and we want to be able to have this phone number ring on specific items. So if you wanted, let's say if you, as you are the user, let's say if you want that number to ring on your web, your desktop application, we can set that up here too. If you wanted to ring from your phone number, you can do that as well too. If you wanted to ring from the app, you can do that as well too. So for us to be able to do that and customize that per user of how we want to be able to receive the call on what device, we can change that for our user. So let's go to Tams, and then we'll click on edit, and then we want to go to call and voicemail settings. All right, so we want to scroll down, and in the default channel for ring all, right now it has that it's selected for the web app. So right now, whenever somebody calls that number, it's going to ring through the app for the ring all. So when everybody gets that call, it'll come through here, and it'll ring in this upper right-hand corner here where you see this green phone icon. Now, if we wanted to ring through our app, that's installed onto our phone or iPad, we can do that as well too, or tablet. We would just click on that button. So keep in mind too, these are radio buttons, so you can only choose one or the other. You can't have it ring on all different devices. Or all different types of applications. So when I click the mobile app, it'll ring from the app. And if I click the phone number, it'll ring straight to my phone number or to my phone. So those are the options that you can change. And then you want to make sure that you click on save. And then we want to change this for the other user as well too. So we'll just come in here and do the same thing too. So let's say if we go to edit, and then Michelle wants hers. We want to go to call and voicemail settings, of course. Michelle wants hers to ring through the web. So it's already defaulted at the web. But let's say if she had it on phone number, all you have to do is just come in here and change it to web app, and then hit save when it's complete. All right.